People often ask us a simple question. Why does your firm focus on immigration and personal injury law? At first glance, those practice areas seem completely different. One helps families navigate the immigration process and build a future in the United States. The other helps people recover after an accident and move forward with a difficult chapter in their lives. But for us, they are connected by the same mission, helping people through some of the most important and challenging moments they will ever face. And that's really what Diaz-Solis Associates has always been about. I'm Alessandro Diaz with Diaz-Solis Associates. If you've watched our previous videos, you've probably heard me talk about the importance of relationships, family, and making sure clients never feel like just another case. That's something that's been a part of our firm's philosophy for generations. But people often wonder why we chose to focus on immigration law and personal injury. The answer comes back to two pillars which guide everything we do: community and helping others. Those values are the foundation of our firm, and they're the reason we've dedicated our careers to helping people through two of the most personal legal situations someone can experience. The first pillar is family. For many of our immigration clients, the legal process is so much more than applications or government forms. Behind every immigration case is a family trying to build a better future. It may be a spouse trying to reunite with their husband or wife. It may be parents working to create opportunities for their children. Or it may be someone who has simply spent years building a life here and wants to move forward. The immigration process can feel overwhelming, uncertain, and incredibly personal. When someone comes to us for help, they're often trusting us with one of the most important chapters in their life. And that's a responsibility we never take lightly. At the end of the day, immigration law is about people. It's about parents trying to create opportunities for their children, spouses trying to build a future together, and families working towards stability and security in a new country. That's why immigration has always been such an important part of who we are as a firm. The second pillar is helping people rebuild after life suddenly takes an unexpected turn. Nobody plans to be involved in a serious accident. Nobody expects to wake up one day dealing with medical treatment, missed work, insurance companies, and uncertainty about what comes next. But when that happens, people often find themselves carrying a burden they never expected. They're worried about their health, supporting their family, and figuring out how they're going to move forward, all while trying to recover physically, financially, and emotionally. That's why personal injury law has always felt personal to us. Of course, we're helping clients pursue compensation for their injuries, but the work goes much deeper than that. We're helping people regain stability after one of the most difficult periods in their lives. We're helping them understand their rights, navigate a complicated process, and focus on healing while someone is advocating for them. Just like immigration law, personal injury law is about helping people protect their future. When people first hear that we handle both immigration and personal injury law, they sometimes see them as completely different practice areas. But from our perspective, they're connected by the same purpose. In both areas, we're helping people through major life events. In both cases, there is uncertainty, there are families depending on the outcome, and there are people looking for answers during a difficult moment. Whether someone is trying to secure their future in the United States or recover after a serious accident, they're often coming to us because they need guidance, support, and someone to listen. That's why we've always believed that legal representation should be personal. Every client has a story, every family has a reason they're seeking help, and every case represents something important in that person's future. At the end of the day, immigration law and personal injury law are not just the services that we provide. They are reflections of the values upon which our firm was built on. We believe in the pillars of community and helping others. We believe in keeping families together and helping people rebuild. Those values have guided our family for generations, and they're what continue to guide us today. If you have any questions related to personal injury law or immigration law, leave a comment down below and let us know. We'd love to hear from you.